clase. You are now watching Vodcast 145. That's Level 1, Unit 4, Video 5. The topic for this grammar video is the present progressive tense. It's going to be the title of your notes. Remember, I want you to take notes either in your Unit 4 packet or in your Spanish notebook. No random sheets of paper. Okay, so we've already learned the present tense of verbs when we conjugate, but now we're going to learn the present progressive. The difference is the present tense is something happening right now, like, or in the present tense, I eat breakfast or I do my homework. The present progressive is something that's occurring right now, still ongoing. So the difference would be like, I eat breakfast in the morning versus I am eating breakfast right now. Okay? We're going to form the present progressive tense with a conjugated form of the verb estar, followed by a present participle. Okay, the present participle is just a fancy word for the suffix ing. Okay, for example, I am eating. The ing, the eating, is the participle. So before we even work on forming that, we need to review how to conjugate estar. Okay, if you remember, estar means to be temporary, so like I'm sick or I'm hungry or I'm in class right now, okay? How we conjugated it, here's our chart. This one was a bit irregular, so you need to remember that it was yo estoy, tú estás, él, ella, usted está, nosotros estamos, and then ellos, ellas, ustedes están. Okay? Once you know how to conjugate estar again, this part will be easy. Because forming the participle, all you have to do is take your infinitive verb. I'm hoping you remember what that means, but just in case, the infinitive verb is a verb that still has the AR, ER, or IR on it. So to form the participle, you take the infinitive minus the AR, ER, or IR. So take that off, and then instead, for an AR verb, you're going to add ando. For an ER or IR verb, you're going to add yendo. Okay? So here's what I mean by that. So let's take I am eating, the example I've been working with this whole time. I am eating. All right, in Spanish, the first thing we do is choose our form of estar. Looking at our chart, the yo form is estoy. So the first part of our sentence is yo estoy. I am. Now, to eat is comer. So what did I say we do to form the participle? Take the infinitive, drop the AR, ER, IR. So here's our infinitive, drop the ER, and then because it's an ER verb, you're going to add yendo. Yo estoy comiendo. I am eating. Once you get all of that written down, let's just go over some examples. Let's repeat a bit. All right, so let's do I am studying. Okay, so again, I am is yo estoy. To study is estudiar. To form the participle, we're going to drop the AR and instead add ando. Yo estoy estudiando is I am studying. What about we are practicing Spanish? Okay, so we are is nosotros estamos. To practice is practicar. Again, we're going to drop the AR from the infinitive and add ando. Practicando. So here's our whole sentence. Nosotros estamos practicando. Let's try, I want to think of an IR verb. Writing. We are writing. Let's do she is writing for the test. So ella is she. Ella está is our form. Ella está. Escribir is to write. We're going to drop that IR and instead add yendo. Ella está escribiendo. She is writing. So that one's a quick and short topic. You have to know these forms of the verb estar, and you have to know how to form the present participle. Once you know those two things, you can form the present progressive tense. All you need to show me for evidence of this vodcast is your notes. You may not turn in random sheets of paper. They have to be in your packet or in your notebook. Adios.